Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Botshelo Sello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So our topic for tonight is how I learned to trade the Forex market. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and share it with your friends so they can get valuable content on my channel. So basically, I will share with you today on how I learned to trade the Forex market. Well, I would say it wasn't an easy journey at first, cause we were three friends. We all didn't know anything about the Forex market. So what we all did is we searched on the internet for information about the Forex market. We did do so. But the problem we had is that we had too much information, because each one of us would do an assignment. We give each other's assignments. For you, maybe for example, you research about what is a candlestick, I research about something like that. Then we would go and research about it, then come back, sit down to all the three of us. We would sit down and discuss it. So that's the problem we had, is that we had too much information. We knew a lot. We didn't know anything about strategies. So that's what made us to make money after a long time, because we searched information on YouTube, for example, or on Google. We would write what is a candlestick, for example. They would show us, or on Instagram we would follow some guys, maybe 4 or 5 guys. Problem with that was it was that they had different strategies. So we would mix all those 5 strategies and try to make it a one strategy. So that's the other thing that killed us, that made us not make money, because we had too much information. We didn't want to pay for mentorship. We thought we could do it on our own, but it did eat our time, did take too much of our time, and we did lose money because of that, because we didn't want to do any mentorship. So we decided that we should do mentorship. So we combined the money we had, the last money we had, because we were blowing too much accounts. So we would make profits Monday till Thursday. Then when it comes to Friday, that's when we would blow our trading accounts. All the three of us would blow our trading accounts on Friday. So it wouldn't be a pleasant a weekend, because we wouldn't have money, because we blew all our accounts. So it was I would say it was difficult for the first year, because we didn't know anything. So we didn't know anything, especially about the fundamentals. So what blew our accounts mostly was the fundamentals, because we were against the trend. If the trend was going up, we would just sell. So when the news come, it goes with the trend, so it obviously will go to the upside. So we would even use bigger lot size, because we didn't know anything about the risk management, which lot size to use. So we would risk a whole of our account. So if the news come out with just one candlestick, our account would have been blown. So it was a difficult journey, I would say. It was a difficult journey, because we didn't want to take mentorship. But after we decided, we sat down, we told ourselves that there's no way we're going. It's been a year and we haven't achieved anything yet, and we have been making money, but most of it we blew the account. But we did see that we can make money. Why can other people make money trading the Forex market and we can't? So we sat down and we discussed that we need to do mentorship. So we started going Instagram, checking the best the best mentor, not with profits, no, not with profits, the best mentor with a plain chart, because we use plain charts, no indicators. We don't want indicators. So we saw it was a very famous a group. I think it was back in 2017. Then one of us went to the course. We paid around, actually he paid around 5K, because we didn't have money. He was the only one that talked to his parent, and they gave him, I think it was around 5K. Yeah, they gave him 5K to go and do the course. He did do the course. I think the course was about for 4 days. But when he came back, there was nothing new that they taught him. That was our first problem. There was nothing new that they taught him on the mentorship, and the mentorship was 4 days. So I would always call him for the first day after he came. I called him and said, what did you learn new? And he told me that, nah, the things that I learned for today we already know. Then I said, okay, I'll wait for you to finish up the course, then I would come to you, then you'd show me everything. Then we agreed. So he went and did the course for 4 weeks. 4 days. Then he came back for after finishing the course. I went to him and asked him, let's see what you have. But there was nothing new that he learned. That was the problem. And he paid 5K. And me and the other friend, we didn't have money, because we spent all our savings on we spent all our savings trading, and while we blew our trading accounts. So we didn't know what to do. Because the 5K was our hope that when he came back, we would learn and make a way for, or not say make a way, would make a plan for us to have money, so we can start trading again, because he would give us the information. But didn't go as planned. Came back, he was so angry, because he had nothing new to show us, and he already paid for the 5K. But he was in the group. We thought, well, maybe when he's in the group, they would show him more information that he needs. So he had questions, but the problem was in the group that the mentors weren't active. He couldn't get hold of the mentors. So we didn't know what to do, because that was our lost hope. So what we did is we went to look for work. So we can raise some money. Then we can search again for another mentor, so he can show us the way, because we have seen that a lot of people can make money. And we have also seen with our trading accounts that we can make 20K with a 1.5 rand account. We can take it from Monday till Thursday to 20K. But after that, on a Friday, we would blow those accounts. So we would see that, no, there's money here, but what we lacked was the skill. We had the time, but what we lacked was the skill. So as we went back to get work, so we would start from the beginning, have the money. So we did go look for work. I actually was a driver. Then saved up some money. As I saved some money, I was able to take a course. And that course was a real course that showed me the way, that taught me everything about the Forex market. So then that's when I started trading again while I was busy working. Then I saw that the strategy that I took is making me money now. So that's when I stopped working, then did things on my own. So my journey was, it was difficult to say, because we would trade, all the three of us would trade together and make money Monday to Thursday, then Friday eventually we blow the account. Then Monday again, we start again, we deposit money into our trading accounts, trade, make money, because we were risking too much. That's the problem we had. We were risking too much, making profits. We didn't have that mindset that we were risking too much, we should withdraw every day when we make profits. We didn't know that. But if we knew that before, that we were risking too much, every time we would make profits, we would maybe withdraw and put the money aside. If the account blows, we deposit it again. But we didn't know that we were risking too much. But now, as we know, we know how to trade now. We know that we don't risk 3% or 2%, actually 3% per trade. So that's how I learned to trade. With friends, gathered information, but the information was too much. Didn't have a solid strategy. A friend went and took a course, but the course didn't work for us because it didn't teach him anything. So we had to go and look for work, get some money. Then that's when we did the real mentorship. So that mentorship really changed our lives, because now our lives have improved. It has improved too much. So thank you guys for watching the video. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with your friends so they can get valuable content. Thank you very much, guys.